So today I'm going to show you how to add extensions to your Opera One browser. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First, open Opera One browser on your desktop and click on Extensions on the top right corner. You'll find this view. Click on it. Click on Manage Extensions. Here you'll find all the extensions that are already installed in your. So, to get more extensions, click on Get More Extensions. Link on the left sidebar, it will be directed to extensions on Opera Store, so choose the extensions that you want to add and click on Enable in Opera. For example, I want to add Facebook Messenger. Click on Enable in Opera. And this is how to add extensions in your Opera One browser. And your work is done here, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment,